Hi everybody, welcome to the latest edition of In the Stacks with Julia and Christina. I'm Julia, and of course this is Christina.
Hello.
And we thought we'd do something a little different today. So instead of talking about the books that we're reading or rereading, we're going to do an unboxing for you. Yay!
This is the best part of the job.
Oh, I know, it's like Christmas every day. So have you ever wondered about how the books actually get to the library? Well, we have librarians who curate each collection in the library. So we have a nonfiction librarian, we have someone who curates the fiction collection, and they very kindly go through and look for books that would be of interest to our patrons and things that are new and upcoming and cool and hip and lovely. So their choices are then sent to a vendor, and then when the books are ready, they come to our cataloging department in Stephenville.
And the book fairies in our cataloging department,
Book fairies.
they catalog everything and get them all ready, and they ship them out to each individual library in the province.
Yes.
Which is very exciting.
Now we have a thing called province-wide holds, where you can request any book or item around the province, and it'll get sent to you at your home library. So if you're in Cornbrook or Kibbins,
Yeah. And you see a book in this video that you want that your library doesn't have, all you have to do is request it.
right, just go on the catalog with your library card and your PIN number, which is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number. Log in and request the book and ask to have it delivered to your library. I can't wait, let's open it. Some good stuff in here.
Okay, so first thing I see is this one, Strange Terrain in the Fairy World of Newfoundland. This is the 30th anniversary edition, so this title is going to sound familiar to a lot of people. This book is a staple in almost every library in the province, in the Newfoundland and Labrador collection. This is a book all about fairies and folklore around fairies that is in Newfoundland. Excellent read. Very exciting.
This one pops right out at you. Of course, who doesn't like James Patterson? This one is called Fear No Evil, an Alex Cross thriller. So if you're interested in the Alex Cross series and you just can't wait for the new one, well, it's here. And all you have to do is go in and into the catalog and request it. And as soon as a copy becomes available for you, it'll come to you at your library.
Excellent. The next one I see here is the new Jodi Picoult, and it says that it is a deeply moving novel about the resilience of the human spirit in a moment of crisis. I do like the cover. The cover's really nice.
I do too. I like covers with birds on them.
Yeah, I like the whole aesthetic happening here. So that's the latest Jodi Picoult, which you can request at your local library.
Puppers! Here's a book about puppers. It's called The Speckled Beauty, A Dog and His People by Rick Bragg. So this is a story about a man and a dog and how this dog has made his life special and how he's made the dog's life special. And if you love a heart-tugging kind of story, I'm sure this is one for you.
It sounds like a good one if you liked the Marley book.
Yes, yes.
All right. So the next one that I see here is another semi-local book, From Hunter to Hunted, the U-Boat War in the Atlantic, 1939 to 1943 by Bernard Edwards. So if you like World War II history, if you like local Atlantic history, this is probably a good choice for you. So it looks like there is a lovely photo section in here. I love a good photo section.
Me too.
So that's kind of nice. So this is all about the war, the War of the Atlantic. So
Cool.
there you go. So that sounds like a good, interesting read.
Autopsy by Patricia Cornwell. That even sounds scary.
I know. She is also a very prolific author. So if you love a
So
good
this
crime,
is a Scarpetta novel. So if you are familiar with Patricia Cornwell, then you know that her Scarpetta character, Kay Scarpetta, is a forensic pathologist. If you like the kind of procedural, kind of thriller books, this sounds like a really good one for you.
And this one looks fun. So this, if you like celebrity books, so this is Jamie Foxx's book, Act Like You Got Some Sense and Other Things My Daughters Taught Me. So this is his new memoir, autobiography thing.
Yeah, it's a memoir.
If you like anything celebrity related, this looks like one that you should add to your to-be read list.
Our interview with him is there's nothing like your grandma to keep you grounded. Like
Yeah.
she's like don't get above yourself, don't be getting
Yeah.
too big for your britches kind of thing.
Yep.
Here's one, The First Shots, the epic rivalries and heroic science behind the race to the coronavirus vaccine. Award-winning journalist Brendan Burrell brings the defining story of our times alive through absorbing, first-time reporting on the players leading to the fight against a vicious virus. So this is nonfiction, and again, if you're interested in that kind of thing, just go to the catalog and place a request.
Yeah. I'm going to skip to the book that's on the bottom because I can already see what it says. It's a Harry Potter book.
Woo!
So this is Harry Potter Knitting Magic, More Patterns from Hogwarts and Beyond, an official Harry Potter knitting pattern book from the wizarding world of Harry Potter. So if you are a knitter, a Harry Potter fan, or both, this is probably the perfect book for you. So in it there are lots of patterns for all kinds of Harry Potter related things. I can tell already that Hermione's bag from book / movie number 7 is in here. We
So if you
have
could fit a bus in that bag,
Right.
you've done real well.
we
Knitting.
have some little small Harry Potter dolls that you can knit.
I love those are so cute.
Right, so this looks like so much fun. We have some lovely wizarding inspired knitted socks. So if you're a Harry Potter fan,
Loves me some snazzy socks.
and you're looking for a hobby over the winter months,
And don't
On
forget,
your
your
to-do
library
list.
usually contains a huge collection of knitting books of all ages and ranges. So if you're just getting started, or if you are an expert or a master knitter, we've got books here for you. So in the 1840s, the Donnelly family immigrates from Ireland to British province of Canada. Almost immediately, problems develop as the patriarchal family is sent to the Kingston Penitentiary for manslaughter, leaving his wife to raise 8 children on her own. So this is called The Donnellys, Volume 1, The Powder Keg, from 1840 to 1880. So this follows the Donnelly family. It's nonfiction, and it is in the true crime section. It sounds like it's right up my alley.
and it looks like it's volume
You might
1,
not be
so there's
able-
a second volume likely coming.
Yeah, you might not be able to get a copy because I think I'm going to check this out as soon as we get done with this video. Okay.
All right, next box.
Yay. Your turn. Speaking of
Okay,
your turn.
so it looks like we're going to do one of our Express books first, or next. So our Express collection is a collection of books that are the newest of the new by super popular authors that usually have a really long wait list. And what happens is we have books that are non-express. So for example, the Jeffrey Deaver that we called out is a non-express copy of his latest book. This is an express copy of Nora Roberts' The Becoming, the Dragonheart Legacy Book 2. So non-express copies you can actually put on hold, and we create a hold list in our system. But express copies you can't put on hold. So these are ones where if you're in the library browsing and this book happens to be waiting for you, you can skip the hold list and check out the express copy.
So if it's there on the express display
Yes.
and you see it there, then you can just take it home with you. You don't have to place it on hold.
Yeah.
But again, it's first come, first served. Whatever's there is what they have available.
Exactly. These ones, unfortunately, you are only allowed to take them out for 7 days. So they are a limited time frame. So sometimes reading a book this big in 7 days is hard.
But sometimes it's a page turner. You can't put it
Sometimes
down.
it's a page turner and you can read it in 2. So, it depends on the book and it depends on your reading. But this is her latest, Nora Roberts' The Becoming, book 2 in the Dragonheart Legacy. So if you have been waiting for this to arrive, it is officially here. Hooray! Okay.
Another express book, our favorite Diana Gabaldon, Go Tell the Bees That I Am Gone. So another Outlander series. So if you are an Outlander-aholic and you love that series, you love watching it on TV and you love reading it, we have this in both in Express and non-express format. So you might pop into your library one day and see it sitting on the shelf staring at you going, please take me home for 7 days and read me. Then
I would not be able to read this book in 7 days.
I know.
Look how big it is.
I know, but again,
But apparently those books, I have never read a Outlander book, but apparently they are huge, like massive page turners. Like
They
you cannot
are, yeah.
put them down.
you
So
may never eat or sleep for 7 days, but you could actually read this book in 7 days, but you can't eat, sleep, or like leave the house.
this is one
That's
that
pretty good.
So I've actually heard about this book. It is a new book. I'm pretty sure it's a debut for this author. No, it is the same author as the 10,000 Doors of January. Oh, I didn't realize that. But this is a Sleeping Beauty retelling. So this is right up both our alleys.
I love the retellings, yes.
So this is A Spindle Splintered by Alex E. Harrow, a vivid, submersive, and feminist reimagining of Sleeping Beauty. And that's a quote by Catherine Arden on the cover there.
And it looks like some really nice
It's
illustrations.
super
inside.
short, which is lovely. I love me a nice quick read, and there's beautiful illustrations. Just look at that. So that's excellent. I'm very excited about this.
Because really, we are both giant children and we love picture books. So these are like picture books for grown-ups.
Oh, these are beautiful pictures. I just love that. So yeah, I had heard of this book, and I didn't realize it was out already. So this is exciting. And this is one of the reasons why I love unboxing the new books, is because books you hear about and you're not sure when they're coming out. You don't pay attention to when they're coming out, and then suddenly you open the box and there it is. So it's always very exciting.
Well, thank you very much for spending some time with us as we get one of the favorite parts of our job is opening the boxes and checking out the new books.
And hopefully we added a bunch of books to your to-read lists.
This our job, is to make your to-be read list absolutely impossible to ever finish. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel.